So where we're actually heading to the Wairoa Napier Road at a place called Tira. Oh, look at this. Oh, waterfall, nice. Oop. Sorry, my bad. I'm just sort of trying to take in the views as well as watch the road. It's very slushy here, mate. It's all to do with throttle control, isn't it, mate?
Yep.
Oh, it's wet around here. Oh, waterfall, look at that.
Oh, wow.
This is why the ground's all wet, I suppose. And another one. This is Kiwi Grand Tours at its best, just about.
Look at that.
Traction control came on then when I planted boot.
Oh, that was lucky.
That's gone now. Look at this guy. What?
I'm just lucky he's parked there.
Yeah. Hey!
Fuck, I wouldn't want to see him come around the corner.
I'm just letting you know the road narrows now.
Thank you.
And there could be some people around. Oh, it's gone to shit.
Oh. Oh. Clutch in. Clutch in.
Clutch in. Well, there's a washout down there. Oh, I'm glad we didn't see that truck on the way through here, eh? Oh, hang on, we've got a whole lot of community here.
What the hell's going on here?
There's a walk to, that's the walk to Bell Rock.
Well, we don't do walks.
No, Bell Rock's about 45 minutes walk.
Oh, no, not with my knee and your hip.
No.
Okay, so be careful of tourists coming up now.
True. Maybe they've already got here. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah,
oh,
true.
This is why the road's shit, right?
Yeah, too many cars. I want to go back to our middle of nowhere with nobody.
Look out. I found all 5 of them.
Could you not hit any more?
Well, no,
potholes.
I had a choice: either run the pothole or swerve. And do you actually then fall off your bike because you swerved too sharply? Potholes, more potholes. There's free potholes for everyone here, isn't there? God, this is like the forgotten highway again, isn't it?
It is.
Look out! There's a whole lot. Just as
okay.
well.
I'm standing up now. I'm over it.
Yeah, hey, just as well we're experienced pothole finders, eh?
Oh, we can find them. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I don't love potholes as much as you do.
No. Well, caravan, car, big vehicle, minibus. What? Okay, Google. I didn't ask for Google. What's this place, mate? On the track. 1 hour walk.
Oh, no.
No, sorry, we don't do that. But again, totally different scenery, mate.
This is native New Zealand. Look at all the silver ferns.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, we're getting into rougher terrain. Oh. Well, here we are on the Wairau Napier Road, and we've been navigating through some roadworks and some new seal, and it's 23 degrees. And Jason, what are you up to? Oh, you're standing up.
I've got a sore bum.
Yeah.
That was an epic ride through that shingle. We've only just come off it, but I think we're going to be coming up to a Bailey Bridge, which is a temporary bridge that they've put across after the floods. No, this is not the Bailey Bridge.
No, this is not the Bailey Bridge.
Must be on the other side of the hill. Oops. What the fuck was that?
Funny angle, eh?
I'm really on a funny angle. I've got my left foot down, not my right.
I can see. You suddenly look awfully short.
We forgot to put the camera on here.
Yeah, we did. We've done a lot of things today we forgot.
But it was just so enjoyable.
I know. Well, it looks like there's been a slip probably on this corner coming up. Oh no, we seem to be... Yeah, it's definitely... This is the Devil's Elbow, isn't it, Jason?
Yes it is.
I think it is. The notorious Devil's Elbow.
Now, there's a famous picture of a truck stuck in the middle of this elbow with the road washed away all around him.
That's right.
So he was there about where that blue truck is now.
Yes.
If you look down there, the infrastructure down there to rebuild it has been incredible. So the river came from my right over there and completely washed away, and he was just stuck here, sitting in the middle. What a mess. The boys are working hard.
Yeah, they've been on it for nearly a year here.
Yeah. And there's a random rock in the middle of the road. I think you need to move that. I think that's a hazard.
Gosh, that's some machinery there.
Yeah, it's a bit of weight.
Well, here we go. This is where we pull over and stop. Do you know what I'm going to do?
What?
Get off my bike.
Are you really? Oh yeah, I'm desperate. I'm cooking in the sun.
I'm not having too much fun.
God, my buns.
I've got a sore shoulders and a sore bum. I'm pretty tired and you seem done.
And I'm recording.
I hope too. Oops, we're going to edit that.
Another traffic light on this damaged Wairau Napier Road.
As we come in to do a few swings, as the road has got deceptively narrow for some reason around here due to the fact that there's no road left.
That road's obviously vanished down the bank.
Yep, that's a goner.
I nearly thought there was a passing lane then.
So did I, mate. I thought, oh look.
I was about to go.
Yeah.
Yay, here comes our rest stop.
Okay.
Last time we were here, you drove into me.
Right.
Yep.
So we're moving over to the left here. Oh, you're overtaking there.
No, that's not it. Big rocks.
Falling rocks.
No shit, look at it.
That's right.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light.
Poo.
Oh,
That's like urine. That's like the
oh my god.
Oh no, you sprayed it all up at me.
Yuck, he dumped his fucking piss. They
Yep.
do that. That's what he was doing. He was opening the valve.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
You ran right over it.
Well, not for long.
No, but you ran right over it. I managed to dodge it because I could see you go, oh my Jesus.
Well, it's fucking a lot of work going on. There's a container in the middle of the road.
Yeah, look at that.
You don't see that often, and there's usual men standing around doing nothing.
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. They looked at me when I was counting them.
He's doing some woodwork.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Oh, it all got damaged. Righto, go. Coming in a bit hot then.
Fuck was I ever?
I was. Do you know we've been on the bikes for about 5 hours continuous?
Oh my god, have we?
Yeah, because we left.
It's a big.
I was going to say we left at 8:30. Okay,
Yeah.
we had a half an hour at the cafe. 9. It's now 2:30.
Shit.
That's
It's been a long day in the saddle.
5.5. No, there's even a little park bench there, look. There's a cop right there. Well, here we are. We've come to the end of our day.
We
Jason.
have actually.
Yeah.
And what another fabulous trip. I've never been on those roads before.
Neither. The weather's been great. The roads were good. The traffic was so light. And the views just it kept on giving, didn't they?
It did. I thought I was in Canada a few times.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable road. Really, it's
Yeah.
amazing that there's such wonderful roads so close to home and so close to Napier and Hastings that you just don't know about that you can do in a day trip.
And yeah, exactly what I was going to say. We'd never been on them. We just saw them on the map and you had to Google up and zoom and zoom and zoom in to find the roads actually appear. So, hey, good one, mate. I hope you enjoyed that quick little trip.
No, thank you. You did well again.
6 hours on the road today.
And I'm feeling it.
And yep, we're not used to it. That's the problem. Well, mate, well done, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care, Kiwi
See you
Grand Tours.
again.
Yep, all the best. And all that. Well, here we are live. I don't know if you can see or not, but we've got a policeman who's got his lights on and decided to
This is exciting.
pull someone over. We'll just have a little look and just see what's going on here. Oh yeah, he's got the guys in the ute, has he? Yeah, and the truck pulled over as well, funny enough.
Well, he thought it was him, but the ute was coming towards us, and he had to do a U-ey.
Ah, right, okay.
Told him to
Turn around, yeah, right.
I mean, well, we would have just kept going.
We would have twisted that throttle, mate. They're only in a rodeo.